Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to ride.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an ultimate tidy up and basically just an everyday cleaning motivation type of video, because I know we can't always get to deep clean our house, but we still need to tidy up and make the house nice and clean. So I hope this gives you some motivation today to get some cleaning done. And we are just gonna hop on in by taking my comforter off the bed to wash, so that way I can get to the rest of the house. So once that is done, I am going to move into the kitchen, and I had a few dishes this day, nothing crazy, so I'm going to start by doing those, and then you're just going to see me going through the kitchen and putting stuff away.
And now I won't let go, so let us be crazy before we get cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light.
And here you're just gonna see me cleaning out the sink really quickly. I am using the Super Clean degreaser. I think this does a really great job at cleaning the sink and making it nice and shiny. So once that is done, I am going to go in and wipe down the counters using my Jaws degreaser, and then you guys will see me wiping down the stainless steel, and I will also be using the Jaws cleaner for that as well.
Baby, ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us know tonight. You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love.
Now that the kitchen is nice and clean, it is time to sweep and mop the floors, and I'm going to be using my Swiffer in today's video. I like to full on mop the kitchen with a bucket of water once a week, and then any other day I will just use my Swiffer.
Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it.
So at this point, the comforter was done washing, so I am just going to move that into the dryer really quickly and then begin washing our sheets. Moving into the living room, again, this is just a tidy up type of video, so I am just going to quickly pick up the toys and anything that you see here, and then I will go in and vacuum down the couch and the rug.
Innocent, we know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe.
I saw the city passing by my window.
And then I will spray the couch with this Caldrea linen spray. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. And then I will be making the couch as well.
My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew.
Now I know that I just vacuumed, but I am going to go in and wipe down the TV stand because I noticed that it was a little bit dirty. So that is what I'm going to be doing here. And then I am going to be showing you guys an area in my house I don't think I ever really show on camera, but it's where we keep our blankets. And surprisingly, this pile of blankets has been decluttered quite a few times, but I am a blanket hoarder. I love cozy blankets. That is just my love language. So I have way too many blankets, but I am totally fine with it. And then again, I will just really quickly Swiffer in here as well. I like to Swiffer this little part of our living room pretty often just because this is a high traffic area.
Was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see the sky.
So moving upstairs, I'm going to quickly tidy up the kids' bedrooms before it is nap time, so that way they're nice and clean for that. But I'm just going to basically go through the kids' rooms, make their beds, put their toys away, just really tidy up in here and vacuum.
Remember it, how you turned everything around. I will always remember it, how you got me off the battleground, how you got me off the battleground. Yeah, you took it, you took it, took away.
I'm also going to be vacuuming our stairs. This is something that I really need to be more mindful about doing more often than I do now. I think I vacuum these stairs probably every 3 weeks, but I really should do this once a week because, again, it's just a high traffic area and it gets really gross with constantly going up and down the stairs, but for whatever reason, it just doesn't happen. But that is something that I am trying to work on. And then I'm just gonna go in again and mop with my Swiffer the hallway area here. This is something that I also don't do all of the time, but I should probably do more of. So now that the sheets are done washing, I am gonna move back upstairs into our master bedroom, and I'm gonna start by making the bed and making that look all nice and pretty, and then I will tidy up the room as well. And then the last thing that I'm going to be doing in this quick tidy up video for you guys is vacuuming, and that is actually where I'm going to end today's video. I hope that it gave you some motivation today to get some cleaning done. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in my next one.
Holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try,